Hey, are you looking for some toned arms? Then I have the workout for you. Hey, I'm Coach Greg. We will be doing a seated workout. Grab some dumbbells, grab a seat, let's have some fun. Alrighty, so sit with your feet firmly planted on the ground, grab your dumbbells. We will be doing some bicep curls. 30 seconds on the clock as always. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Arms out in front. We're squeezing at the top. Back should be flat. You can do both at the same time. You can do one at a time. Just like this. And if you don't want to use weights, I prefer, or I recommend you extend your elbows forward and you're just bending just like this. That way you're making sure you're only focusing on the biceps. 3, 2, 1, and done. Next we have a shoulder press. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Weights overhead, you kind of want a 90-degree, almost like goalpost with your arms, and you're extending straight overhead, just like this. If you have any shoulder pain or anything like that, instead of going at a complete 90 from here, you could go more of a 45, or even go more here. Whatever is more comfortable for you, feel free to do that, because we do not want any injuries here, but we are trying to strengthen and tone. 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, we've done shoulders, we've done biceps, you know the drill. We have tricep extensions next. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So hinge forward, weights down, elbows back, and you're extending just like this. Again, you can do both at the same time. Hold it there, let gravity be your friend and enemy. Or you can do one at a time. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Sometimes this is easier standing up because you can actually bend down lower, but as long as your elbows are back and you're extending, you'll be good. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have some lateral raises. Again, sit up nice and tall. You're really gonna need to push the ground away with your feet here. We are extending our arms out to the side, trying to get parallel to the ground. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I like to do one at a time because lateral raises can be a little tougher since we don't use those muscles as much. So to have a little more of a stable base works. But if you have lighter dumbbells, then yeah, for sure, you can do both at the same time. Just control the descent, right? We're not flying here. Control the way down, control the way up, pause at the peak, and drop. And breathe, come on, have fun. Yeah, we're sweating, yeah, we're getting tired, but we're having fun. 3, 2, 1, and done. Last, we have a reverse fly. You're gonna wanna sit at the edge. Here, I'll turn to the side for you. Edge of your seat. You know, while you're still safe. You want the weights behind your legs like this, and then we're just trying to bring those elbows back. You're gonna feel it in your upper back and your triceps. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you're here, keep that back flat, and extend. Lead with your elbows. The weights don't have to go up or, be extended. We're not doing lateral raises here. We really want to feel it in our upper back. Pretend that there's a pencil between your shoulder blades that you're trying to squeeze. Just like that. Turn to this side for you. You're here. Boom. So you can see it's my elbows leading. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. First set done. You know the drill now. You understand what's happening. Let's have some fun. Let's get set 2 right now. Bicep curl. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
3, 2, 1, done. Shoulder press, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Tricep extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Lateral raise, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Reverse fly, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. This is set 3, last set, best set, baby. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Shoulder press, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Tricep extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Lateral raise, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Reverse fly, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That's your toned arms workout. My arms are so sore, so fatigued. Hopefully yours are too. And if they are, that means I did my job. But thank you so much for joining me on this workout. If you like these type of videos, come on, look at, we got hundreds here. Legs, arms, glutes, abs, full body, cardio, hit, whatever you can think of, we got here. And if there's something or a type of workout video that you don't see, leave a comment and let us know, and we will accommodate and make videos for you, because we are doing this for you guys. So thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of your fitness journey. And I will see you later. So stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.